Here at Griffith Observatory. Just got done with the hike. Now, gonna do a little investigating inside. Gonna take you on the inside tour. Something I've never done before, and I've been here 3 or 4 times already. Just have never videoed it. I've always been taking photos, so going inside now. Boils down. Wait, I think you started from the other side. Griffith Observatory is a pretty big place, so I'm going to follow the map that's here with the lights and show you what those look like when they're not on the map. I don't know if that makes sense. The real life version of what you're seeing. And back of me, done with this ice glass. That's the camera obscura. Here's the seismograph right here. Walking alongside the triple beam Coley stack. I actually have no clue if I pronounced that word right, or any of the words right, but I'm trying. They're scientific. I'm not gonna guess the first word, but it's a pendulum. It tells the time. Transmit corridor. It tells solstices, I guess. I don't know, it doesn't really give a description of what it does. Leonard Nimoy Event Horizon Theater. Right?
So when you look at a rock like that, that is exactly the way the Earth started.
This meteor is 4.5 billion years old. I think it's from Arizona.
Crater or meteor crater in Arizona. We have pictures on both sides of the exhibit.
Arizona.
Yeah.
I've been to that crater.
You're working out with something that is
Oh man.
We're older than the rocks.
It's a real. Touched a little piece of Arizona and California that was 4.5 billion years old. He didn't say it, but I think that's the one that killed the dinosaurs. I don't know if they believe in dinosaurs here, but I think that's the crater. And that wraps up the tour, the very small and not in-depth tour of what's inside the Griffith Observatory, some of the cool stuff. That's it. Goodbye.